This is Karan Ora and I welcome you again in Oradex. So today's tutorial about touchless switch. So before moving towards this tutorial, I would like to suggest you please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for my new updates. Guys, this is a touchless switch circuit diagram for the touchless switch. I have used in here the Arduino Pro Mini. You can use any other microcontroller, but I have designed my program according to this controller. So I will also provide the code and this circuit diagram in the description and all the components that I have used in this circuit. So guys, let's start with our controller. Our controller is running on the 5 volt. So in our case we are using 5 volt from the laptop, but you can take from any adapter. We are using GPIO 10 to sense the IR receiver's output. IR, if you come into the range of the IR, it detects something in its range, it gives 5 volt, the logic one, and according to that we process our program. We are using here a relay. This is a 220 ohms resistor. This is transistor. It is acting as a switch here. It will activate the transistor and the relay will get the ground and the circuit will operate. And this is a 5 volt buzzer. I have taken the DC load. You can also take the AC load here according to your relay. So I am using 5 volt relay here. I have used a diode, and this is LED. This is RGB LED, not the regular one. This is it has the chip WS2812B inside it, so you can change its color using one GPIO. If you want to know more about this LED, I am giving you the link in the description, so you can find more about this. Go to that video and you will find more about this WS2812B LEDs. So this is all about this circuit diagram. Let's look at the actual circuit. So guys, this is the actual circuit here, and I'm going to plug this to my laptop to get 5 volt. So we are getting 5 volt from this. That 5 volt goes here, this 5 volt and ground. And you can see there is Arduino. The IR sensor I have placed here. So if I will just do it like this, you will see the IR sensor. That is the obstacle detector. It is known as obstacle detector. This is 5 volt relay. This is that LED. I have saying that it has the chip WS2812B. You can generate n numbers of colors in this. So this is the circuit, and this is the buzzer over here, which is given to the relay. And inside here you will find the BC547 transistor and a resistor, which I have used in my circuit diagram to operate my relay. This BC547 and resistor. So guys, this is the hardware. Now let's look at the code. This is our code for touchless doorbell. I have given the name touchless doorbell in this code, and I'm using this library. This is for the LED strip that I've just mentioned earlier. I have made the whole video teaching how to use these libraries. I've told everything over there, how to use these libraries. So again, I will say this is the library for LED, and here we are telling the Arduino how many LEDs we are using. We are using only one LED. Here I am taking the pin number 10 for the LED. So Arduino's pin number 10, that's why I'm mentioning here 10. This is again for the LED, and here we are taking IR on pin number 7 and relay on pin number 9. Some variable we will require and again this is for the LED. Here we are declaring input and output, and here we start our loop. So again we are reading the IR whether it is logic 1 or 0. According to that, if suppose it is 0, so it means we have sensed something. So if it has sensed something, then it will start counting, and here it will start counting, and once it starts counts, once count reach to the 300, then it becomes LED blue becomes green. So this is how we are doing some waiting for the relay to operate after sensing. And yes, this is the else condition. If we are not sensing anything, then keep the relay low and don't glow any light. So yes, this is very simple program. So I have already dumped it in my Arduino. Let's check how does this work. This is the circuit. I have already explained you the circuit. So Arduino is here, relay is here, the external buzzer is here, and the 5 volt we are taking, it is from the laptop over here. This is the programmer for my Arduino Pro Mini. So I am taking 5 volt and ground from here, and these two are for relay. I have already described this previously. So the concept is, when you keep your finger on the IR display, IR LEDs, then the IR will detect your finger and it will glow the LED to blue, and if you keep your finger in that range, then it will turn on your relay and the LED will turn to green. So let's see. So I'm keeping my finger, so I've got into the range and it has turned into the green, so my buzzer is buzzing. So you cannot see the green and blue, so I will just do it like this. So I think now you can see it's blue, and if I will keep it for a while, it turns to green. So this is how it works. It is a simple, you can use as a doorbell. This is the time for the lockdown, and COVID-19 pandemic is going on. So whenever you are going out for to get essential stuffs, and if anybody else is ringing your bell, so you can install this, so nobody touches your doorbell, and you don't have to touch your doorbell too. So this could help in this COVID-19 pandemic situation. And if you want to apply for other stuffs, touchless switches, like for your tube light and fans, such things, you can replace it with a little change in the programming. Everything will be the same, the circuit will be the same. I will show you the other program. I will show you the another demonstration I have written. So I will just replace buzzer with actual AC load, and I will dump the program, and we can see the touchless switches. So I will provide you in the description both the source code for the touchless doorbell and touchless switches. So let's see the other code, the touchless switch. So this is the touchless switch. I've named it touchless switch, and all the libraries are same. IR is same, relay is on the same pin, LED is on the same pin. Most of the things are same. So we don't need serial here, so I'm taking serial out. So everything is same here. The logic is little bit different in this type, because your doorbell slightly works different than your normal switches. So we will just, I'm not going to explain this. I'm just going to dump this program into our Arduino, and let's see what is the output. Okay, the circuit is same. We are taking 5 volt from the laptop. The only thing is change is we are not taking buzzer, we are taking a AC load. AC load is connected to the relay. We are taking AC supply to operate this relay, operate this bulb. So let's connect this and let's see the output. I'm giving 5 volt from my laptop. Okay, so I've given an indication here that red means that your bulb is off, and when it will turn to green, that means your bulb is working. So let's touch the switch, sorry, just come into the contact. So you can see it has turned to green and my load is glowing. Now you have to off this. You have to again just move your finger over this and it gets switch off. So this stuff is really working. It is very helpful if you are using in some place where you don't have to touch your buttons, since it is a COVID-19 pandemic situation is going on and you have to share the same button with so many people. Then you can apply this logic, so you don't have to put more of money into the sanitization if you are just going touchless in this whole world with whole electronic things at least. So yeah, I think this is very useful, and if you think it is useful to you too, so then share it with your friends and comment down below if you need anything from my side. And if you like this video, then give me the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much.